Right now, there's a massive trend taking over YouTube Shorts: skeleton educational videos. These things are getting millions of views, and creators everywhere are jumping on this gold mine. I'm talking about brand new channels with no audience pulling in hundreds of thousands of views overnight. What makes this even better is how insanely easy these are to make. You don't need expensive software, you don't need to be on camera, and the whole process takes about 10 minutes once you know what you're doing. In this tutorial, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step method to create these viral skeleton shorts using AI tools. From script to final video, you'll learn everything you need to start creating content that actually gets views. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get started with the actual creation process. The first thing you need to do is head over to ChatGPT. Once you're there, click on the Explore GPTs option at the top of the page. In the search bar, type in skeleton shorts and select the GPT model that pops up. Then click Start Chat to begin working with it. Now, this particular GPT model is really powerful because it takes whatever script idea or reference image you provide and automatically generates text-to-image prompts for you. This saves you a ton of time and guesswork. Let's say, for example, you want to create an educational video about taking herbal tea. Simply type that topic into the ChatGPT model and hit Generate, and within seconds, it'll generate 6 different text-to-image prompts for you to choose from. Each one represents a different scene or angle for your video. Go ahead and copy the first prompt. Next, you're going to head over to a platform called VideoINU. Sign up if you do not have an account. I'd leave the link in the pinned comment. Now, on the dashboard, click on the AI Image tab at the bottom left corner. When you're in the Creation panel, make sure to choose the model called Nano Banana Pro, Image to Image. This model works particularly well for this style of content. Now, paste in that text-to-image prompt you just copied from ChatGPT. Here's where things get really important, so pay close attention. You need to upload a reference image of a skeleton in the Image Reference section. This ensures that all your generated images maintain that consistent skeleton style throughout your video. I've actually included 1 or 2 skeleton reference images in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video, so just grab one that you like and upload it. Now let's configure your image settings. Set your image size to 9 by 16. This is the vertical format that works perfectly for YouTube Shorts. Set the resolution to 2K for crisp, high-quality visuals. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait a few moments for your results. When those images are ready, download it to your device. Now, go back and copy the next text-to-image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into the VideoINU image generator and click Generate again. You're going to repeat this process for all 6 prompts that the GPT model gave you. By doing this, you'll end up with a complete series of images that tell a cohesive story from beginning to end. Once you have all your images generated, if you have not, it's time to download them. Download each image one by one and save them to a folder on your computer. Now, go to the AI Video tab in VideoINU. For the model, choose Kling 2.6 Image to Video. This is going to animate your static images and bring them to life. Upload your first image, then type in a video prompt describing what kind of motion or action you want to see in that scene. This helps the AI understand how to animate it properly. Set the duration to 5 seconds for each clip, and make sure to turn the audio off since we'll be adding our own voiceover later. Let's preview the first clip. Now download it to your device. Repeat this entire process for every single image you created. When you're done, you'll have a collection of short animated video clips. Now for the voiceover. Head over to a platform called 11 Labs. Please use my link in the description. Go back to the same chat on ChatGPT and ask it to give you a 1-sentence voiceover narration for each scene. Take the script that ChatGPT generated for you earlier and paste it into 11 Labs. Select a voice and click Generate. The platform will generate a professional-sounding voiceover using realistic AI voices that sound incredibly natural. And just like that, you've got all the components for a viral-ready YouTube short. Download it. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Open up CapCut on your computer or mobile device and start by importing all the video clips you just created, along with the voiceover file from 11 Labs. You want everything in one place so you can work efficiently. Once all your files are imported, drag the voiceover audio onto the timeline first. This is really important because your voiceover is going to serve as the foundation for your entire video. Everything else will be timed around it. Next, start arranging your skeleton video clips on the timeline above the voiceover. Match each clip to the corresponding part of the narration so that the visuals align perfectly with what's being said. You might need to trim some clips or adjust their placement to make sure the pacing feels natural and the story flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Now let's add captions to make your video more engaging and accessible. Click on the Captions or Text option in CapCut's toolbar, then select a basic caption template that fits the style you're going for. Hit the Auto Captions or Generate Captions button, and CapCut will automatically transcribe your voiceover and sync the text to your video. This is a huge feature because captions can significantly boost viewer retention, especially on shorts where people often watch without sound. If you want to add some background music to give your video more energy and polish, go ahead and import a track. Just make sure to lower the volume to around -20 decibels or lower so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. The background music should enhance the video, not compete with the narration. Once everything looks good, your clips are aligned, captions are synced, and audio levels are balanced, you're ready to export. Click on the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred quality settings, and let CapCut render your final video. And that's it! You now have a completed, viral-ready skeleton educational short that's ready to upload to YouTube. Here's what the final result looks like.
Even a skeleton knows the comfort of slowing down with a warm cup of herbal tea. With a gentle pour, the ritual begins, filling the air with warmth and calm. Every blend tells a story, rooted in nature and patience. The first sip settles in, soothing both body and soul. As the world drifts by outside, this moment belongs only to now. When the cup is empty, the calm remains.
You'll find all the links to the tools I used in this video, especially VideoINU, down in the description and pinned comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.